Hey everybody, welcome to day 13 of our summer sketches. Today we're gonna be drawing a slice of pizza using the letter V. Let's get to it. We're gonna draw a V. It's gonna be, instead of straight up and down, it's gonna be to the sides. If you want, you can turn your page just a little bit if that helps you. But we're gonna draw the first line of the V and the second line of the V. All right, now let's grab our pencil to make the details. At the top here, you're gonna kind of just come right across. We're gonna make a little bit of a rectangle shape here. Okay, and I'm gonna go nice and light with my pencil because I might adjust it a little bit. This is gonna be the crust of the pizza. So I like a nice and fluffy crust. So I'm gonna kind of curve those lines a little there. I'm gonna come down and up. Now, what's fun about this pizza is you can put your toppings that you love on it. My favorite toppings are onions, so I'm gonna do some little squares here for the onions. I'm sure most kids love onions on their pizza, right guys? Also, and by the way, nobody in my family likes this combination except for me. But we're all different. I also like pineapple. I know that can be controversial on pizza, pineapple, but you either like love it or hate it. I love me some pineapple. And then my other favorite topping are olives. That's right, olives. Now I prefer Kalamata olives, but I also like the little round black olives too. I'll do one more olive up here. Oh, you guys, this is gonna be good. So we're gonna kind of make this pizza look 3D just by drawing a little line right here and then coming up all the way, basically just following that V back to the crust. Okay, come down, follow it along, and back over to the crust. Okay, and you can kind of make this crust line one big line here. So what I'm gonna do, this is fun, guys. We're gonna make melty cheese. So you're gonna just do a couple little random squiggles. Start back here, come down and up, and down and up. How cute. So you're gonna, let's erase this line. See, the cheese is just kind of overlapping the side here because that is a nice looking pizza. Oh, right. Let's outliner. Okay, I'm gonna trace my toppings. And kiddos, I don't know if your parents know this, but over on our Instagram page, we are doing a giveaway for some art supplies. It's over $100 worth of art supplies. So if your parents want, they can go over to my Instagram and figure out how to enter for our giveaway and check out this pizza. I hope everybody's pizza looks a little different and if you have the same pizza toppings that I love on your pizza, I mean, that makes my heart warmed up. But you can draw your own favorite toppings. So you can do pepperoni or veggies. Maybe you just like cheese and that's totally fine. All right, I think it's time to color. Let me see here if we have color for our pizza crust. It's gotta be like a light brownish color. How's that? Oh yeah, pizza crust. Looking good. Do y'all like cheese stuffed pizza crust? Have you ever had that? It's pretty good. We usually have pizza on Friday nights with our neighbor friends. We all just get together and have a little street party with some pizza. Oh, this is just too cute. Okay, so I'm gonna need, what color for the pineapple? Do you know? Yellow. These pineapple pieces are gonna be yellow, and our olives are gonna be black. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color those in black. And onions don't really have a color. I have this kind of off-white color that I'll just make the onions. Look at that. And now it's time for our cheese. I'll do a nice orange for the cheese. Is this making you want pizza? Because this is making me want some pizza. I hope you guys have been following along with us for the month of July. Every day we're doing sketches, so come back tomorrow for our next sketch. And if you missed a couple, guess what? You can go back and do them. And I would love to see your drawings. If you'd like to share them with me, you can go to my Instagram account or have your parents, of course, do this. Or you can go onto our website and send me an email. And there you have it, an adorable little slice of pizza. Come back tomorrow for our next drawing.